How to upload a 10-minute video on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a new update that TikTok added. So if I go to my inbox, I received a notification which says that we now can upload videos up to 10 minutes long from our device. So we have to make sure that we are using the latest version of TikTok before trying this out. So you can go to your Google Play and update your TikTok app. So if you want to upload a 10-minute video, you just have to click on the plus icon like you usually do, then go to upload and search a long video. So I will go ahead and search for a longer video that I have. So I found this video which has 6 minutes and 12 seconds, and I think that this is enough. Then click on next. And as you can see, my video has 6 minutes, so that's a long video, more than 3 minutes. Click on next like you usually do. Then it will take a while to process this because it's a really long video, so we will wait for that. Okay guys, so now my video is fully processed. You can add some effects, text, and whatever you want. Click next, then describe your video and you can post it. So that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment down below if you like this new update or not. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.